All right, so this flange is so that we can strengthen that pipe coming out of the wall. Pipe will come through here, and that way when the hose bib is stuck on here, it won't put too much stress on the pipe when you're doing the hose bib part. Hang on a second here. Well, I thought I had the hose bib here, but so the intent is that the pipe will slide through there, and then it can be locked down with this particular hex bolt here. And here's the wrench. So you just put it in there and tighten it down, and it locks down on the pipe. So the pipe is now fixed rigid in this, and that gives strength so that when you're doing the hose bib, it doesn't break it off. However, we have a problem here on the back side, because this flange wasn't really designed for that. It was meant for something to be put down like that, and in essence, a non-plumbing pipe, or a pipe for plumbing, but an iron pipe could go in there, and it becomes hooked onto a piece of wood or concrete or something. So it doesn't go all the way through. So what we're going to do is drill that out, and I'm going to use one of these, the multiple hole sizes ones, to do that. Just take a second to do. All right, well, that's done. So now the pipe can go all the way through it. That took a fair amount of effort. So if you're going to do this, just know that it takes a while. I used a file to really take a lot down. I tried using this, but that jams up too quickly because this is cast iron. I think it is, at least, cast steel. So I used a grinding wheel and another one to kind of smooth it off. So, but it's all good. And now what I'm going to do is paint the inside, because I don't want any of this steel to touch, this is plastic, but the brass pipe that I'm going to put through here. I don't really want those two to be in contact, not bare metal at least. So I'm going to paint this with some black Rust-Oleum paint to really give it a good coat so that it won't come in contact with the pipes. Shouldn't be a problem, but I don't like the idea of two different metals in contact with each other, in this case steel and brass. So we'll paint this and get that part done. And this is what the hose connection looks like on the outside. It's going to have this flange eventually that will be, we'll turn it up like this so we can get to that. And that will hold this pipe nice and steady. I'll have that bit, now I got that flange put together. But that's all on and ready to go. Okay, I think this is going to be the final on hose bib reinforcement, and it turned out pretty good. You can see how it's up against the stone, and that the mortar that we put in has reinforced it down below, so it's good and solid. And the idea is that you want it to be so that you can turn this knob without, racking the pipe inside. So it turned out great. Very happy with it. And it does give it that sense of a little bit more strength and structure. So thanks for watching. Good luck with your hose bibs. Catch you on the next video. Please like and subscribe.